total disaster after a busy week at the shop. For the one stopping here for the first time, my name is Passyle. I own a breading shop and summer is really my busy moment. So I decided to take this day off. I closed actually and not taking any client and decided to reset my bedroom because that was like, this is not me. I don't like what is going on. So I had to take care of this. So I took this Monday to really reset and clean my bedroom. So if the first time you are stopping by and you like everything cleaning, motivation, or decor, because what is my passion, I'm very passionate about sharing my daily cleaning decoration. I really like to share everything I learn in a daily day basis and thing that I discover. So if you like that kind of videos, decor, cleaning motivation, and I'm sharing a little bit of what I do as a mom to keep myself organized and straight on things. Don't forget to just subscribe and stay here because I'm coming with more videos. This is a new home. In my bedroom is the place where I did not really do anything yet because I didn't find in my mind what I really want to do with my bedroom and everything. So it's just right there. Every day I just bring something that I found and that I like. So today I will share with you 2 things I have added in this bedroom that are very high value, that I know that I will keep them for a long time. So I decided to really deep clean this bedroom. When I say deep clean my bedroom, the one thing I always do first is clean my mattress. I use baking soda and all-purpose linen cleaning. So I'll put baking soda and spread that linen cleaning, and then I will use a hand vacuumer, and just vacuum and well clean my bed. If it's something else that you guys are using to clean your mattress, let me know, and I will be very curious to try it. So I had to really deep clean all over. One day I will take the time and really sit down and make this bedroom what my mind really want. I have the vision, but I didn't get the real plan, okay, to really do what I want in this bedroom. But I'm bringing little stuff every day to give it a touch that I really want this bedroom to look like. I have a big stand on my bed, on the head of my bed. I did a hair mask on my daughter and she decided to come have a nap on my bed with that mask, and I have that stand right there. I don't know how to remove it. I try to remove it with everything I have, but it is not going. So, and it's oil. I think since the hair mask has oil, it's that oil stand that is right here. So if you know what I can use to take that oil stand off, don't hesitate to say it in a comment and tell me what I can use to remove that stand on my bed. I'll be very happy to take it away. And I have been shopping for fall decor and Christmas decor. I don't know if you guys want me to share those trip at a store with you. Let me know in a comment and I will be happy to share with you everything I have found. Last year I was just moving in a house and we have decided to do some little work in the house, so my Christmas and fall decor were very late, so I didn't really enjoy it. So I decided that this year it will not be the same thing. I will have my fall decor by the end of September and Christmas decor by the beginning of November. I'll have my Christmas decor up so I can really enjoy it. Last year I think I had only 10 days with my Christmas tree, and this year I really want to enjoy that fairy moment. I love to decorate for those 2 seasons, Christmas and fall. They are my favorite season to decorate the house. I really give it that warm and touch and remind my family. I think every family has its own tradition. So I'm so happy and blessed to have that little tradition with my family where we decorate our tree together. I always share with you guys Christmas tree decor, but my kids are always part of it. Are always part of it. We chose a theme together. It's not just something that I just chose myself. We chose it together, and I found everything that worked around it, and we will do the decoration together. And each of my kids have a Christmas tree in their bedroom, not in my bedroom, but they want it, and I give it to them. So it's a very, very it's a fun moment. It's a fairy moment. Is everything about Christ, about it's a joyful moment, and that I think that why we is a lot of us that are really enjoying that season where we share those moments, those precious moments together. So today I decided to really deep clean my bedroom and my bathroom, because you can see my bedroom is not, it's not done. You can see it's some wall, it's some stuff, because when we got this house, my bedroom didn't have a bathroom. Okay, the bathroom, it was one bathroom on the main floor on the whole, but close to my bedroom. So I had to close that door that was giving to the wall, and I had to close it and put the door in my bedroom, and then create another bathroom on the first floor. So those are the things I have done so far in this house. One day I will take the time and show you like a before of the house, and then show you the now that is in the house, because there's so many things we have changed in the house. We love the house setup, and we see that I always look for a house and say that if I can change things in a house, I will get it. So that's how I bought this house. I love the setup. I love the backyard. I really wanted a backyard for my kid to be able to play. My husband loved to have land around, so this house has a lot of land around. So it was so many things that we like in the house. It has an unfinished basement. We were like, this will add a lot of asset in the house when we finish the basement. So these are the project we are working on the house now. So if you guys are very interested of seeing all those things, I can share them with you guys. So that's why my bedroom is just a cleaning. I don't really do a decoration, because I did not do what I want in that bedroom yet. I add that blue color, but now I hate it. I have to tell the truth. I like that. I was like, I want blue. That's not really the blue I wanted, but I don't like it no more. I feel like it's a hospital bedroom or a nursing home bedroom. That's how I feel now. I don't know. You know, when you get the house, you have the idea for something, and then you just say, okay, I want it. That's why I stopped everything in my bedroom after this. After my husband applied that painting, I'd be like, I need to stop everything, because it's not what I want. I don't want to add anything else that I will not like. So that's why I stopped with everything. I say it just need to be clean, 2 lamp, 2 nightstand, and that will be all. So one of the things I have added in my bedroom is this mirror. I was working for fall shopping, and I got myself into Hobby Lobby at a 66% off. I didn't know they had that. So they do like the end of season sale, and they move everything on that 66% off area. So this mirror was like $200 base, so I got it for $66. Yeah, I got it for $66 with taxes, maybe 68. Is huge. You can really see it like this. When my daughter came in, she be like, Mommy, you wanted a big mirror. This is very, very big. And I just fell in love. I was like, okay, this is something I will have in my bedroom when I take time to decorate my room. So this mirror is really, really what I needed. And then I added something else. I changed on my bed sheet. All these sheets are new. When the new sheet come, I just wash them. I don't remember the brand, but I got them all from Home Good. I love to go to Home Good when it's about linen. I found that you find very good bed sheet there, and the quality is very good. I always go for 100% cotton. So, and the price is different, because when I go directly on the website of the brand, the price is very, very like 2 or 3 times. But at Home Goods, you get them for a very good price. So I always go to Home Good to look for them. The other thing I have added in my bedroom, they are curtains. I had curtains, but they was like from the previous house that didn't have like a high ceiling like here, because this house has a very, very, very high ceiling. Everything has to be very tall, so I had to get new curtains, and I got this one at Home Good. These are my curtain. I decided to go with these two type of curtain. The one with flower is leaning, the other part, I think both of them are leaning. One is the heavy one and one is the light one. I decided to go with this because when it's daytime, I always like the light to come in my bedroom, but I still want to have it closed. So daytime, I will just open the heavy one and leave the light still covering and have some light coming through. So that was the idea I have. So this was a very, very good find at home. Thank you for staying with me till the end. It's here that I will close the video. Now my bedroom feels so fresh and clean. And see you next time for the next video. Don't forget to like and share. I'm sure I will be bringing a lot of more videos where I will share every fun I have in store, every decor, and every cleaning motivation. See you the next time. If nobody told you that they love you, I say I love you. God bless you.